How to fix verification code not receiving in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can double check where the code is being sent, as Gmail may send the code to email, SMS, or an authentication app. So you can look for the message that says we sent a code to, and then check that particular address. Or you can also go ahead and make sure that the email address or the phone number that you have entered is correct. Next, go ahead and check for spam, promotions, and all mail, as verification emails can get filtered sometimes, so you can check folders, spam, promotions, updates, or all mails. You can also try to wait a few minutes and try again, as sometimes the codes can be delayed. So wait for a few minutes and then tap on the resend code option, and make sure not to request too many codes at once, as it can block temporary block delivery. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, you can try to toggle on airplane mode for the time being and then disable it after 10 to 15 seconds, as poor connection can stop codes. Next fix for this issue is, if the code is sent by SMS, then make sure your phone has signal in it and your SMS inbox is not full, and you did not block short codes or unknown numbers. And if you're still not receiving the code, then you can use another verification method. So tap on the try another way option you see there, and then choose backup email or phone call or authenticator app or security key if you've set it up. Next, you can launch the settings application and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, make sure it is set to set automatically, as wrong time can cause verification problems. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix not receiving verification code in Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.